if I was, if I were. So what's correct? If I was or if I were? No guesses? Okay. I'm going to show you the difference between the two, or at least the correct way of using the two. You will have to use if I was if the incident or the situation you are referring to has already happened in real life. Let us look at a few examples. I apologize if I was rude. So your behavior is already, taken place. That means it really happened. So then you will have to use if I was. The next example. I will let you know if I was accepted into the dance school. I will let you know if I was accepted into the dance school. So which means I applied, or I'm, in the process of connecting to the dance school. I've taken some real action. So I will use the phrase if I was. Let's look at the next example. The teacher will increase my grade if I was right in the first question. The teacher will increase my grade if I was right in the first question. So here also the incident has already happened. So please remember, when you talk about things that already happened, you will use the phrase if I was. Now let us look at if I were. If I were is used only for a hypothetical situation or an imaginary situation, something that actually never happened. An example could be, if I were you, I will resign from that job. I cannot be you. It's just an imagination, an imaginary situation, a hypothetical situation. So if I were you, I would resign from that job. Another example. If I were you, I would go to America. Here again, I cannot be you. Therefore, I use the phrase if I were. I bet Sally would go out with me if I were richer. I bet Sally would go out with me if I were richer. It's an imaginary situation. I'm not rich. Okay. The next example. If I were a millionaire, I would never work again. If I were a millionaire, I would never work again. Let's look at one more example. I would focus on foreign policies if I were the president. I would focus more on foreign policies if I were the president. So all these examples reflect only an imaginary situation. I am truly not involved in this. It's just hypothetical. So please remember, when you talk about real happenings, real incidences, and you want to enhance the role of the speaker, then you use the phrase if I was. While you talk about imaginary things, hypothetical things, or situations that never happened, you will use the phrase if I were.